Right about there is the hole of the lesser woodpecker. 2019 was the year that my mom, my brother and me bought a cottage. And it took us 2 years to restore this cottage just as we wanted to. And it has given my family so many great memories already. But it also has been really exciting for me to explore this area here for all kinds of wildlife and birds and beautiful landscape. And a great way to find out who's around is to put out a little snack and a trail cam. And it turns out it's a lot. Birds, squirrels, hares, and even badgers. Good morning. I don't know if we can hear the black grouse in the background there. But it's really early. It's almost 6 o'clock in the morning, and I'm off to a forest, an old forest here at my cottage, and looking for a lesser spotted woodpecker, and I'm quite excited. A little bit tired though, haven't slept too much, but who cares? I'm out in nature. Oh. This is the smallest woodpecker we have in Norway. A beautiful bird. Right about there is the hole of the lesser woodpecker. This woodpecker here is like they are changing who is incubating the eggs, so they are like switching back and forth. This male is really cool bird with that red cap on the head. I really, really love that. The light in the forest is starting to get a little bit harsh, but the great thing about this area here is there is a lot of trees in the area, so it keeps the place in the shadow for the moment though. I just need to have an eye on the exposure. Problem is that it can be too bright on the background, so I need to underexpose a little bit and then take up the exposure on the bird in Lightroom. So really beautiful in the forest right now, where the black grouse is making some sound in the trees around me, birds singing. What more can I wish for? This, as many things, is not far away from my cottage. There is so much life happening up here. I cannot believe my luck finding all these things, from beavers to jays to this woodpecker, and really, really nice. Just a few seconds ago there was a bumblebee in the opening in the hole, and the female is inside incubating the eggs, and right away it pops up and tried to catch that bumblebee. I don't think it did, but something weird happened. I think it got like sting. Looks like she was in pain, but hope she was okay. Looks a little bit bad though. There's the male, there's the male, there's the male.